Most AI resume tools score one job at a time. But real job searches don't work like that. You're tracking dozens of jobs across multiple sites. In this project, we build an AI-powered dashboard to upload your resume, track applications, and score every job in one place. Follow along and build a complete serverless AI app on Google Cloud using Cloud Functions, Vertex, and PubSub. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. First, the user signs into the web application using Google Cloud's identity platform. Before scoring any jobs, you upload your resume. The resume is stored in the application storage bucket. Now you can submit a job for scoring, either by LinkedIn job number or URL. When you click Submit, a job record is created in Firestore. At the same time, a message is sent to the scoring topic. PubSub triggers the worker cloud function. The worker calls Vertex to extract the job details and score the resume. The scoring results and analysis are written back to the storage bucket. The job status is updated in Firestore. Finally, the application refreshes and displays the completed results. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up Google and Terraform, check out our Google setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build has completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. Several storage buckets are created for this project. The first hosts the public web application. The second stores resumes and scoring results. Authentication is handled by Google's identity platform and applied on the API gateway. The API is implemented with Cloud Functions. Job scoring is driven by a PubSub topic. Firestore stores the state of each scoring job. When a message is received, the worker cloud function calls Vertex to extract and score the job. The results are written back to the storage bucket. The job status is updated to scored. The application refreshes and displays the results. Navigate to the web application URL and sign in using the identity platform. Once signed in, open Manage Resumes. Paste your resume and click Create Resume. Now select Score New Job. Choose LinkedIn as the source and enter one or more job IDs. Click Submit to start scoring. The dashboard updates as jobs move from submitted to scoring. All jobs are tracked here with their current status and scores. Click Open to view the full analysis. This one's clearly not a good fit. Now here's a role that aligns much better. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.